So my response is going to be to our Unit 7 Fitness Education on Assessment. And the question I'm answering is describe assessment within this curriculum model. So what I've gathered so far from our book is that assessments allow student learning in numerous forms within the concept base of fitness curriculum, which is essential to the objective of attaining knowledge about physical activity and fitness. The book goes and talks about 4 different ways to assess students. The first one is journal reflection, where a student will use personal reflection questions to practice their writing skills and spark conversation in the class. For example, what is the difference between being physically active and being athletic? After answering this question, students will write it down in a journal where it will be collected and evaluated for its thoughtfulness and completion. A second way of assessment is using group projects, where you have groups of students, 3 to 4, for example, develop an aerobic dance routine where they will demonstrate it and show it to the class and build a segment together into a single class routine. A third way of assessment is individual projects, where students can create risk factors in their family tree and identify lifestyle risks, for example, of heart disease, such as smoking, fatty diets, and being inactive, which runs in their family. And they can present them on a poster, and then also include in a statement how they can avoid these negative effects in their family tradition. Fourth way of assessment is demonstration, where you can have students demonstrate appropriate activity of a given specific muscle or objective, such as, for example, setting a proper exercise for the pectoral muscle or a hamstring muscle, where they're performing these exercises and showing it to the class and demonstrating it, or how to stretch a hamstring or a hip flexor. Those are ways of doing a demonstration assessment. The way I currently incorporate these assessments, I would say the only one that I actually use would be demonstration, since I am an athletic trainer. I really don't teach any of the other assessments, but I do use demonstration, where I will have my injured athletes demonstrate the exercises that we have gone over, or give them a little homework to come up with some new exercises if they're getting a little bored of certain exercises. So it gets them sparked, a little bit more interested in their recovery, a little bit more involved, which helps them progress. So I'll have them, for example, show me various ways of how to stretch their pec muscle, or demonstrate different exercises that will incorporate their rotator cuff muscles in strengthening it. And I think that's about it. Thank you. Bye.